When you think of an interior designer, you probably imagine someone choosing furniture, picking paint colors, and designing beautiful homes. But what if I told you that's only one career path? Today, interior designers work for luxury hotels, real estate developers, multinational companies, film sets, retail brands, and even create 3D visualizations that never get built. Some earn rupees 4 lakh a year, others cross rupees 30 lakh. The difference isn't talent, it's choosing the right specialization. So, if you're planning a career in interior design or wondering what comes after an interior design course, here are 11 real career options in India, what they do, how much they earn, and which ones have the biggest future. Hi, I'm Simran from Ant Academy. If you've ever searched, what can I do after an interior design course, you've probably found articles listing the same 5 generic jobs. But the industry has changed. In this video, we will look at real career opportunities for interior designers in India in 2026, including salary ranges, companies that hire, and which specializations are growing the fastest. So let's begin. Residential interior design. This is where most interior designers start. You will design homes, prepare layouts, coordinate with contractors, select materials, and present concepts to clients. Every project is different, which makes the work incredibly creative. You will find opportunities in studios like Studio Lotus, Khosla Associates, Architecture Brio, and hundreds of boutique firms across India. Starting salaries generally range between 3 to 6 LPA, with experienced designers earning significantly more. Commercial and workplace interior designer. Designing offices is very different from designing homes. Here, every design decision affects productivity, collaboration, and employee well being. You will work on office layouts, breakout spaces, meeting rooms, and collaborative environments. Companies like Gensler, Space Matrix, M. Moser, and DSP Design Associates regularly hire workplace designers. This is one of the fastest growing specializations today because businesses continue investing in better workspaces. Hospitality interior designers, hotels, luxury resorts, restaurants, lounges. Hospitality designers create spaces that people remember. The work is demanding because every detail contributes to the guest experience, but it's also one of the highest paying design specializations in India. If you enjoy storytelling through interiors and don't mind travel, hospitality offers tremendous long term growth. 3D visualization artist. What if your designs didn't have to be built to make money? Visualizers create photorealistic renders and walkthroughs that help clients experience spaces before construction even begins. Today, every major architecture and interior design studio needs skilled visualizers. With AI speeding up rendering workflows, technical skills combined with artistic judgment are becoming more valuable than ever. For many designers, this is becoming the smartest specialization. Real estate developer. Here's a career path many students overlook. Large developers like DLF, Lodha, Prestige, and Godrej Properties have dedicated in house design teams. Instead of working on one client's home, you'll design model apartments, clubhouses, sales galleries, and large residential projects. The work is more structured, the career progression is clearer, and salaries are often higher than traditional design studios. Retail space designer. Ever wondered who designs Apple stores, Nike outlets, or premium fashion boutiques? Retail designers create spaces that influence customer behavior. You'll combine branding, customer psychology, and interior design to create memorable shopping experiences. With India's retail sector growing rapidly, this has become an exciting career path for designers who enjoy both creativity and strategy. Modular kitchen and interior specialist. Brands like Live Space, Home Lane, and Design Cafe have transformed residential interiors. Instead of creating everything from scratch, designers work within smart modular systems. The work is process driven, technology enabled, and perfect for designers who enjoy solving practical problems. It's also one of the largest employers of fresh interior graduates today. Set and exhibition designer. Do you love films, events, and large scale experiences? Set designers create everything from movie sets and television studios to exhibitions and experiential brand activations. Every project is different, deadlines are intense, but few design careers offer this level of creative variety. Sustainable interior designer. Sustainability is no longer optional. Clients increasingly expect environmentally responsible interiors. Designers specializing in green materials, biophilic design, and energy efficient spaces are becoming highly sought after. If you care about design that creates long term impact, this is a specialization worth considering. Independent interior designer. Many students dream of freelancing immediately after graduation. But here's what most people don't realize. The most successful independent designers usually spend 3 to 5 years working in studios first. They build technical skills, industry connections, vendor networks, and client confidence. Then they start their own practice from a position of strength. Studio founder. For many interior designers, this is the long term dream. Running your own interior design studio, leading projects, building a team, creating your own design philosophy. But successful studio founders aren't just great designers, they're also great business owners. Understanding pricing, client relationships, hiring, and project management becomes just as important as creativity. Here's the biggest mistake many students make. They think that all interior designers follow the same career path. They don't. The industry rewards specialists. Hospitality, commercial interiors, visualization, real estate, retail, each offers completely different opportunities. Choosing your specialization early can completely change your career trajectory. So, which career path is right for you? If you enjoy craftsmanship and bespoke spaces, residential design might be perfect. If you prefer structured corporate careers, commercial interiors or real estate could be stronger choices. If storytelling excites you, hospitality or retail might be where you belong. The important thing is understanding that an interior design course is not just preparing you for one job, it's opening the door to an entire industry. If you'd like to build the technical skills, portfolio, and software expertise employers actually look for, explore An Academy's interior design courses. You'll work on real projects, learn industry standard software like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Cahoon, and build a portfolio tailored to the career path you want to pursue. You'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on interior design careers, interior design trends, architecture, and workspace design. And tell us in the comments which interior design career surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.